Hello student, good morning to everyone. In this video, you will see solution of exercise 15.1 onward question number 10. So in this portion, it has been said that a water tank is filled with 1,04,000 liter of water. Its length and breadth are 800 centimeter and 650 centimeter respectively. So we have to ask what is the height of the water in the tank. Okay, so basically, dear children, in this question, it has been given that a water tank filled with water 1,400 liter of water. Okay, and the dimension of water tank, length and breadth given. Length is 800 centimeter and breadth is 650 centimeter. So we have to ask what is the height of the water tank. Okay, so we have the dimension of the water tank means length equal to given 800 centimeter, breadth equal to 650 centimeter, and that be the height of the water tank. We have to ask. Okay, and the capacity of the water tank, that would be given. The capacity means capital capacity of water tank equal to, this would be 1,04,000 liters. Okay, so therefore the volume of the water tank equal to volume of water tank equal to, so we have to multiply 1,000 because we know 1 liter has 1,000 centimeter cube volume. So therefore, in 1,04,000 liter of water, having 1,04,000 into 1,000 centimeter cube volume. Okay, and we also know the formula of the volume of cuboid. This would be length into breadth into height. Okay, length into breadth into height equal to 1,04,000 into 1,000 centimeter cube. Okay, so here length and breadth of the water tank is given. Length would be equal to 800 centimeter into breadth is 650 centimeter, and height is given to us. Height is not given. This is we have to find. Okay, we have to find height of the water tank equal to 1,04,000 into 1,000 centimeter cube. Okay, now find the value of height. So height equal to, we need to divide this quantity by this. So 1,04,000 into 1,000 centimeter cube divided by 800 centimeter into 650 centimeter. So we can cancel out 20 from numerator and denominator. Okay, and also 10 again from numerator and denominator. Okay, so remaining are left 104,000 centimeter cube by 8 into 30. So 104 again divided by 104 and 30. 9. Okay, by 4 divided by 104 and 65 cancel out by 13. 13 is 104 and 13 5 65. Okay, so again we can cancel out 8,000. So remaining are like 100 by 5 and 1,000 again divided by 2. So 200 centimeter. Okay. So we get the required height of the water tank equal to 200. Okay, 200 centimeter. Okay. So dear children, this is the required height of the water tank. Okay, which filled with water 1,400 liters. Okay. Now move to the question number 11. In this question, it has been said that 250 bricks of length 6 cm width 6 cm and height is 10 cm are used to construct a wall. Find the volume of the wall in centimeter cube. Okay, so in this question it has been said that a wall is constructed by using 250 bricks and the dimension of each bricks is given us, that is length equal to 6 cm, width equal to 6 cm and height equal to 10 cm. Then we have to ask what is the volume of the wall in meter cube. Okay, so we have to given us length of each bricks means length of bricks equal to 6 cm, breadth equal to also 6 cm and height equal to 10 cm. So first we have to find the volume of each bricks. Okay, so volume of each brick, the volume of each brick equal to length into breadth into height. So we have to substitute the dimension length, breadth and height. We have to given us 6 cm into 6 cm into 10 cm. Okay, that would be equal to 6 is 36 0 300 360. Okay, the volume of the brick, so we have to find out 360 centimeter cube. Okay, then we have to ask, find the volume of the wall. Okay, in meter cube. So the volume of the wall formed by 250 bricks, and here we have find the volume of one brick equal to 360 centimeter cube. So here go to find the volume of 250 bricks. So we have to multiply 250 by 360. So we get the total volume of the wall. Okay. So here go volume of the wall equal to volume of the wall equal to volume of the wall equal to, this means we need to multiply by 250. So 250 into 360 centimeter cube. But we have to ask, find the volume of wall is in meter cube. Okay, so the volume of wall in meter cube equal to 250 360 divided by 100. So will be converted into in meter cube. Okay, so we can cancel 20 from numerator and denominator. Okay, and remaining are 225 into 36. We are left 25 into 36 upon 100 meter cube. Okay, the product of, okay, here we can again cancel out 100 by 25 in 4 times and 36 in 9 times. So remaining are 9 upon 100 meter cube. So therefore divide 9 by 100. So we get 0.9. Okay, meter cube. 0.09 meter cube. The total volume of the wall. Okay, so we have find out the total volume of the wall constructed by using 250 bricks equal to 0.09 meter cube. Okay, so this is the required answer of question number 81. Okay children, further move to the question number 12. In this question, it has been given a cubical water tank is outside 2 meter. How many liter of water can it hold? Okay, so we have to given a cubical water tank outside 2 meter, and we have to ask how many liter of water can hold it. Okay, so this means we have to find first the volume of cubical water tank. So the volume of cubical water tank equal to 2 meter cube. Okay, so this is 2 meter equal to 8 meter cube. But we have to ask how many liter of water can hold. So this means we have to change the liter. So first we have to convert it centimeter. So we need to multiply 1000 centimeter, 1000 centimeter, 1000 centimeter 3 times. Okay. So this is 8 0 0 0 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 0 0 centimeter cube, and this can be written as 800. Okay, 8000 by 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, so as we know 1000 centimeter cube have volume 1000 centimeter cube volume have 1 liters. So therefore in this we have equal to 1 liter. Okay, so here we get the capacity of the cubical water tank equal to 800 liters. Okay, so therefore the cubical water tank has total 800 liter of water. So this is the required answer of question number 12.